You're welcome.
Well, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shut Down on the Sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.
All right, you got these okay?
Yeah.
Up, up, up. Basically stay up until I get to the stop sign.
It's once you actually clear that turn, I'm fine. Okay, I see. Much better this time around.
Oh. No. No.
That vehicle's turning right, it looks.
Yes. Here we go. Which it's going to take off on you, so.
At least I'm up with you on speed, though. Like, I literally... Full stick. Full send.
I'm at 43. Is that okay, or do you want me?
I can go to 45 if you need to.
43 is fine. Yeah, no, I was just trying to figure out earlier where to, like, pull over so that I could do a U-turn.
No, I get it.
That it was easy to see. Because I actually have to be honest, I did it here, and it was kind of a blind. I was like, I'm going,
because it's the blind.
I was like, I'm going. We're going. Hold on, everybody. That's why I think why I was so mad when you made the comment, well, you make a lot of conservative. I was like, sir. Sir. Keeping up okay?
Yep. Got you just fine.
I think we're going to beat these rain clouds.
Beat the rain, beat the sunset. I think we're doing fine.
I need to tell you the part 2 of the Starburst story. There was a part 2 today.
Oh, did you want to say it on camera or did you want to wait? Sorry.
I can say it. It's not inappropriate. But the teacher that made the comment went home and looked it up on the internet because he was too embarrassed to ask his wife.
Oh, God.
And he was like, you were right. I was like,
of course.
And he goes, if I was the kind of person that got embarrassed, he goes, that would have embarrassed me. I was like, that's okay. So I'm just going to buy you Starburst from here on out. Until you, at staff meetings, hey, so-and-so's got a special talent.
You should ask him about it.
Right? Here's a Starburst. Go ask him. All right, we're going to throw turn signals and brake and...
I didn't see any turn signals and I didn't hear any clicks.
Oh, I was in
just
my head.
brakes?
I was in my head then.
It was just in your head.
Okay. I think I'm just so used to it. I was anticipating that.
No, I'm just saying that so that way the viewers are like, what the hell is she talking about?
I'm tired. I think I literally was anticipating it because it throws, when I take RC here, our Model 3, it throws turn signals to get over in that lane. I don't know, we'll go back and watch the video footage.
I didn't
There's
see
a clip.
turn signals.
No, but if there was the click sound.
There was no click.
Shh. Just humor me.
Just your head.
Just
Just-
in my head.
Just in your head.
Just in my head.
That's all right.
I just realized I'm doing weird things with my faces because I'm tired and my ADD's kicking in.
And you realize that the thumbnail will show up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, well.
Oh, man. That's right. I am on camera.
Oopsies.
That's why I didn't pick my nose.
I didn't pick my nose.
I
I did not pick my nose, sir.
know you didn't. It's like that's why I didn't pick mine.
Make faces with my mouth, but I may or may not have mocked you earlier, but
Oh, but that was the bailout drive, or was it the?
may have been many of them.
Oh. Well, we get to see that fun characteristic and banter between
Husband and wife.
husband and wife.
Okay. We're gonna
Change lanes in the intersection.
we're
confuse
gonna
other
we're gonna
drivers?
go left and go right, all within the same intersection.
Yeah. Technically, you need to be in the right lane.
Oh, that's right. Whee. Sorry, I was going home.
Technically, you need to be in the right lane.
Technically, I could have gotten away with both, though, because of the roundabout layout.
Yeah, I guess that's right. That roundabout does go through that way.
Yes. But it threw me off, and I went into home mode because, well, I mean, we go through the neighborhood to get that way, but anyways, but it threw me off because it got in the left lane and then decided to get in the right lane. See what happens? Waymo, where are you?
Yeah, no kidding. Waymo didn't do this stuff. It didn't try to aggressively go around other vehicles just to save 12 seconds of fucking driving.
Which I appreciate.
Like, it just remained in its lane, chilled out, got you there peacefully and quietly. It was,
Have you had it here where you're at this red light?
and it just goes.
Yeah.
I've
And
had
I'm
that
like,
too.
oh, we're just,
I haven't caught it on film. I wished I would have caught it on film, but I've had it
Yeah.
creep into the back of trailers. I've had it creep into the.
but like I've
I've
been
had it
here
go
where
on a
I'm,
red light,
yeah, where I've been here and it's been red for a while, and all of a sudden it's just like,
and it just
whee!
goes. And you're like, whoa, 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 whoa.
And it's not like the left turn is green. It's everything is red.
Yeah.
Traffic is across us. Like,
It's almost like it's programmed to try. Like,
Yeah,
in other
and
words,
you're
think
like,
that the light is broken and try.
yeah, and you're like,
And you're like, no,
this is highway
please,
traffic.
Please,
that's
God,
going
don't ever do
very quickly.
Yeah.
Please no, we won't make it.
that. All right, here, well, let me sign off real quick. If you guys are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Gray Shutdown alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack.
Ooh, it's kind of busy over there. So
Hmm,
I'm gonna
go to
turn
the
it on.
right.